Nakamute tayo. Nimal. Gimute ni mo today?
Oy!
No sounds daw.
Another
Can't hear you. Okay, another. Okay.
Hala, another. Maude, mo siya nakil.
Oo.
Okay. Damian, I will do a push-up. If I can do 10 push-up, you will click the dollar sign of Kajut. Okay? Damian, is it okay? Okay? Deal or no deal? Deal or no deal?
10 push up.
10 push-ups.
Masa yung giingon niya diha?
10. 10.
10. Ah, wala daw siya marinig.
Ah.
OMG na lang daw.
10 push-up, Damian. If I can do it 10 push-ups, then you click the dollar sign.
Hindi nga yan siya, no? Kasi ang tax, di ba?
Sige.
I-western na lang niya.
Deal or no deal?
Nga nga.
Dali. Dali na dali sa likod.
Hindi yan magpalipad na.
Dali na. Dali na ba?
Look at them yan.
We do 10. Wait, here. Tingnan natin. We do 10 ha, 10. Walang movement. Hours ka na pala. Make triangle with finger and thumb and do 10 push-up. Ha?
Finger
Do
lang daw.
triangle? What is triangle?
Ganun lang daw finger mo.
Triangle? Like this?
Yeah, triangle. Like that. It's too hard, Damian.
Wala, I'm just a kid. Damian, I am just a kid. Damian, do! Do, Damian! Na 15 million na, Damian! Okay? Deal or no deal? Ang gamay na gila mo din. Wala, hindi na ako ha. 6 7 8 9 Yeah! We made it! Okay, anak, kajud anak.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. I put my heart in pain. Broke my heart. Woo! Oh, taawa na 15 million pag nag-push up.
Tabuhan ni ba dito?
Ano ba?
Sige.
Okay? Ginaw. Highlight.
Daghan na to kayo. I-delete na ko to.
Oh,
Isa.
i